In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DeepSeek account, how to sign up for DeepSeek, how to register DeepSeek. We'll go from a simple Google search all the way to getting your account verified and logged in. Follow along on your computer or phone and keep your email handy since you'll need a verification code. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type DeepSeek and press enter. In the results, look for the official DeepSeek website with the deepseek.com address. Take a second to confirm the URL is correct to avoid any spoofed pages. Then click through to open the site. Once you're on the DeepSeek homepage, switch the language to English if it's not already. You'll find the English option near the top of the page. After that, click the Start Now button. This takes you to the sign-in area for DeepSeek. Because we're creating a new account, look for the link or button that says Sign Up or Create Account and click it. On some screens, it might be near the bottom of the sign-in form, and on mobile, it could be inside a menu, so scroll if you don't see it right away. On the registration form, enter an email address you can access immediately. Providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or Proton work fine. Double-check for typos before moving on, since the verification code will be sent there. Next, create a strong password. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to make it hard to guess, and avoid reusing a password from another site. Confirm the password by typing it again exactly the same. Now click Send Code. Keep this tab open. Open your email in a new tab or your mail app and look for a message from DeepSeek with a verification code. If it doesn't show up within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check spam or promotions just in case it was filtered. If you still don't see it after a short wait, return to the sign-up page and use the resend option and confirm that your email address was entered correctly. When you have the code, go back to the DeepSeek page and enter it carefully. Then click Sign Up or Create Account. Give it a moment to process. Don't close the tab while it's working. If everything is correct, your account will be created and you'll be logged in automatically. That's it. You're ready to start exploring DeepSeek. If you found this helpful, replay any section as needed and complete these same steps on another device whenever you need to sign up again.